That's so funny. Crazy people at my house.
I almost got
Thomas was just attacking Sarah, and Jake came to her protection. Crazy boys.
If you touch the cat, that makes you get all powers. I got all powers. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I don't know.
No?
Can I play this?
What is it? Mario Kart?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you figure out how to start it?
I think so.
Alright, well, there you go.
Don't kill the baby.
Please don't kill the baby.
It's not even in here.
Careful of the baby, people. Jakey, pay attention. The baby's right there. She wants to play, too. She wants to jump on the furniture. Look at her chasing him around. Ay, ay, ay.